Hey now, for those that are doing vision boards with me this week, okay, make sure you have your words, basic, books, because you mainly need the colors and some of the words if you like. But the third part of the assignment is to get a folder. Get a folder. It could be more decorative or it could be a basic file cabinet folder. Alright. So we are still processing our vision boards. These are the most basic vision boards you can do. You can take your basic one and turn it into a more suitable one for yourself in the future. But this is the quickest basic vision board of positivity. This is a positivity board. This is not your typical, I want a car, I want a house, I want this, I want that. Because actually, we are still living in those times, but we need to stay positive more than anything. Our mental health, our physical health, our spiritual health is way more important than anything in this world right now. So, as you take your folder, open it up, bend it, open it, put it aside. Take your words. So what I did with my words, I wrote some on a piece of paper. This is a lined paper. So I wrote them over on a non-lined paper. So then I will take scissors and cut out my words. Okay, so I glued all my background. On the folder. Then I went a little extra. I took my words, which they're backwards, but you know what I mean. And I glued them to a black background because I have a lot of white. And I want to see my words. So now all I got to do is cut them and paste them in different places. And then I can decorate the sides as I choose.